welcome back to another glitch. This time it's for Make It Rain. What will it say this time? Well, consider two masters for you, hate one, love the other, and never mind. But you see here I have... I'm a crazy person on Earth right now. Let's see. Well... No, I need more money. Give me more money. Well, I found a glitch. You go to settings, and you go up about, it depends how much you have, but if you do this, yeah, sorry, it just didn't work. Sometimes you don't do it, but as fast as you can. Oops. And then if I go back, there goes, fast as you can. That wasn't as fast as I can go, but I tried. I'll just name it. And,